Tanya. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Now, what I have for you today, I think this is going to be so fun, at least it is for me, is I thought it would be really fun to show you my Dollar Tree favorites that I repurchase pretty much all the time, and they're great finds if you can find them, and I'm pretty sure you can find most of these at your Dollar Tree. Okay, now there's 10 of them, okay, but first, before I show you that, I was in Walmart and look at these shoes that I found. I wear a 5, but I can get by with a 6, and these are so adorable. They're Velcro, they are cushy. I'm telling you, I love them. They're so cushy. And they have a little bit of height to them. And they look cute. They would look cute with shorts, jeans, although you're not going to find me in jeans. It's too hot. Or like a summer dress. It's just so cute, okay? And these were $14.98, but I believe they were on clearance because the other ones just like these were on clearance for $9. So I don't really know how much I paid for these, but they are adorable, okay? I didn't want you to miss them if you were interested. Okay, let's hop into my Dollar Tree favorites. Okay, the first thing would be these little trivets that are either round or square. I have a bunch of both kinds. And I just took my Cricut when I wanted something farmhouse and put farm fresh eggs on there, and I think it is so cute. It's really adorable, okay? So these are great. I mean, you can change them out for different seasons. I've done that. I have one that has lemons on it. You can do them for Christmas and put them in your kitchen, and I never have enough trivets. So, and if you don't have a Cricut, you could just get other little stickers and put on it, or they're just great by themselves. So this is my number 10. Okay, now number 9 would be these little mini cloche domes. Okay, this is the smaller one. I also have the taller ones. I haul these anytime I can find them because they make such little great crafting items. I mean, you can put trees in there, lights in there, eggs in there, whatever you would do with a little mini dome cloche, you can do it with this. So I love these, and you can put take your molds and put them around the edge. You can paint them, whatever you want, okay? Number 8, I have 2 things for number 8 because I love their little books. I use these little books all the time to like write down what kind of videos I'm going to do. When I'm uploading a video, I put some information in here. I just really like these, and I think they're really cute, and they're just the little jot notebooks, but they are so adorable and happy. I love to look at them just when I'm in there working. It's bright and cheerful. Okay, then the other little one is this one I found not long ago, and I love it. It's just a little journal that has 2 signatures in here, and I think it is so sweet. And once again, I love that happy little vibe that it has. So adorable. Okay, number 7, if you've been with me a while, you know I love these. You can do so much with this. Are these little jot containers that have the opening here and then the zip up here. I love them. You can use them for taxes. You can use them to put, I did a video once where I took, if you have a Cricut, I took my different kinds of vinyl and wrote what kind of vinyl it was and put my scraps in here. It makes it so easy to find what you're looking for. I'm now using them for, or I'm going to be, for my journals to fussy cut little things and keep them stored in here. I mean, they are great. So I love these. You can always, when I was coloring, I would keep little things in here. You can take them to the beach. They won't get wet. It just wipes off. It won't get nasty in your little bag. There's just so many uses for these. I love them, okay? All right, number 6 is this Crafter Square double-sided tape. I love it for the journals, and you get quite a few on. When I start my Christmas interactive book, you're gonna see a totally different way to put a book together and everything. It's so exciting, and I'm just gonna set it around during Christmas. I think I'm gonna do one for fall. I mean, there's so much, but this is so good. I'm not gonna be using it in that. Now, several of you told me that it works really good, and I know I've put stuff down with it, and so far it hasn't come up, but I'm a little leery, so I did buy score tape, but I'm gonna keep using this, and so far I'm really liking this. So this is a repurchase. I cannot tell you how many of these I've repurchased, and I've even picked some up for Mom. That's how much I love this stuff. Okay, all right, now number 5 is this little dupe for a Cricut weeding tool. I love this. When you're using your Cricut, it's great for that. Also, when you're doing your journaling, if you need to pull this double-sided tape up, it works really well. I've also found Dollar Tree has something that has a pink handle, and it's just real sharp and pointy, and I started using that, and I really like that for pulling that back off the double-sided tape. But this, I repurchase these kind of things all the time. Okay, I think I got off a little bit. This is number 5, the Mod Podge, and when I can find the mat, I love it. I pick up the gloss if I can't find the mat because it's so convenient. It doesn't dry out like the other does because I use it up. I have the big one, but then I have trouble getting the lid off. With this, just flip it up, and there it is. So I love their Mod Podge. It's such a great find at $1.25, okay? Number 4 are these little Dollar Tree brushes. I use them all the time, and I love them. You can, they're just as good as any other brush you would get, and I like sometimes that they have that skinny little brush that allows you to get into a lot of areas. So I've done tons of DIYs with Dollar Tree brushes, and they don't break the bank. Then number 3 should be no surprise to anybody. I love these Tumbling Tower pieces for 2 reasons. 1, it's a game, and 2, you can use these. I've used tons of these at Christmas time to help little things stand up in the back, made things out of them. They're just wonderful little wood pieces. And now that they're giving you this tall box that's equal to about 2 of the regulars, you can't beat it. So I love this. Now my second favorite would have to be Dollar Tree's wood shapes. Where else? Now I will say this came out of the Dollar Tree Plus for $3, but I love it. And this came out of Dollar Tree Plus for $5, but I love it as well. But I also, if you've been with me a while, know I always buy the regular Dollar Tree wooden plaques and things like that. You can do so much for it with them. You can use them as a base. You can make things out of them. So don't forget Dollar Tree wood items. Now my number 1 favorite, you all probably know if you watched my video the other day, is this. I'm obsessed with this facial hair remover. Oh my gosh. Like I said in the other video, I had a no-no because I have tons of peach fuzz. Drives me crazy, but it was hard to get the no-no tips. And then when I hauled this the other day, I used it and I love it. It does hurt. It was very painful, but boy does it pull those hairs out. And I just love it. I truly do. And I've even bought Mom some of these, and she loves it. I've gone back and bought more because I don't know how long it'll last, and I'm afraid they'll sell out. This is a wonderful find for $1.25 because it makes your face so smooth. I haven't broken out because of irritation or anything from it. I usually just put lotion on afterwards, like an astringent and then lotion. But I'm telling you, every day, this is on my face, and now I have a very smooth face. And since I can't find my no-no tips, I'm even using it on my arm in just little places that the no-no left a little bit of hair, and it's just smooth. So if you see this, get it. You'll thank me for it. So that's everything that I consider my Dollar Tree favorites that I repurchase all the time. You know, Dollar Tree has a lot of hidden gems in there, and you really just have to get in there and dig. Now, one of you told me, several of you have told me, that July 1st is on a Friday, and I saw that, but it just kind of went right over my head. I didn't really lock it in. So, next Friday, we're going to start our Christmas in July. I'm so excited. So get ready for that. And like I said, we're going to make ornaments. We're going to make houses. We're going to make like Christmas interactive book that I think you're really going to love. It's so unusual and it's very easy to make. Okay. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So let me get Maggie. Oh, I'll see you Tuesday for what you'll need if you want to make this winter, well, Christmas. I don't know why, well, I know why I keep saying winter because it's winter tales. If you want to make this Christmas interactive book with me, I'm going to do a little flip through of everything that I have and kind of give you a little insight. And then Wednesday will be a Dollar Tree haul. And then Friday, Christmas in July. Can you believe it? It's almost July. Where is time going? So let me get Maggie and let her say hi to you. Oh, the babe. Well, here is the baby. And she says, Mama, I'm so tired. Say, I'm just totally worn out. I was sleeping. I was buried down in my covers. I don't know how she stands it, but she does. If she gets hot, believe me, she comes out. Maggie, you go say hi to your friends. Say hi. Say hello. Say I love you. Do you love your friends? Yes, you do, don't you? Mommy loves you. You're a good girl. Yes, she is. Are you funny? So, until next time, bye guys.